Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. While fixing issues with airplane mode not working in Monopoly Go can be frustrating, but here's a step to fix this. Turn airplane mode on and off a few times to reset its functionality. Restart your device to refresh all settings and connections. Ensure your device's operating system and Monopoly Go app are updated to the latest versions. Verify that airplane mode is not conflicting with Wi-Fi or mobile data settings. Reset network settings on your device to default and then try enabling airplane mode. Close Monopoly Go and reopen it to see if the issue resolves itself. Clear the app cache in device settings to remove temporary files that could be causing issues. Uninstall Monopoly Go and reinstall it from the App Store to fix any corrupted files. Ensure the app has necessary permission enabled, including network access. Close other apps running in the background that may interfere with airplane mode. Check device settings for any restriction or parental controls affecting airplane mode. Disable battery saver mode, which may limit certain device functions including airplane mode. Ensure the SIM card is properly inserted and functioning correctly, as this can affect network settings. Verify with your network operator if there are any specific settings affecting airplane mode. Review device-specific guides or forums for any known issues related to airplane mode. Disable Bluetooth and NFC functions as they may interfere with airplane mode. Disconnect any external devices or accessories connected to your device. Ensure the physical airplane mode button or switch it not stuck or malfunctioning. Boot your device in safe mode to see if any third-party apps are causing conflicts with airplane mode. Perform a factory reset as a last resort to revert all settings to default, ensuring to backup data first. And that's how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.